Hi everyone! Welcome back to my kitchen. Today, we're making something really special. Boneless Bangus a la Bicol Express. If you love creamy, spicy, and flavorful Filipino dishes, you're going to enjoy this one. Imagine crispy golden bangus, tender eggplant, fresh long beans, all swimming in a rich coconut milk sauce with shrimp paste and a kick of chili. Perfect with hot steamed rice. So, grab your apron, get your ingredients ready, and let's cook something masarap together. Are you ready? Let's go! Start by heating oil in a pan. Fry the sliced eggplant until golden and soft. Remove and set aside. Next, fry the long beans until slightly tender but still crisp. Set aside. Now, let's fry our boneless bangus. Season the fish with salt and pepper, then lightly coat with flour. This helps it stay crispy and golden. Heat oil in a pan and carefully place the bangus. Fry each side until golden brown and crispy, about 3 to 5 minutes per side. Once done, remove and set aside. In the same pan, sauté onions until soft. Add garlic and ginger, cook until fragrant. Add 2 tablespoons of shrimp paste and mix well. Pour in the coconut milk or cream. Add vinegar, fish sauce, and black pepper. Let it boil gently. Before I forgot, add 1 teaspoon sugar to balance the flavor. Taste, adjust seasoning if needed. Add the fried bangus back into the sauce. Followed by the eggplant and long beans. Top with Sili, labuyo, and red chilli for that spicy kick. Let it simmer for a few minutes so all the flavors come together. And that's it. Your creamy, spicy, boneless bangus a la Bicol Express is ready. Serve it hot with rice. Sobrang sarap. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more delicious recipes.